Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing an upstairs cleaning video. You guys don't see me clean much up here because I hardly ever get time to clean up here, and when I do, it's just a few minutes randomly here and there. It's just hard to bring Noah and Chase up here and watch them both while I'm cleaning. Also, Noah sleeps in my room, so when I do finally get time to clean because he's sleeping in my room, so I can't clean in there. And also, I don't want to risk bringing Chase upstairs and have him make noise that wakes Noah up, or me make noise cleaning that ends up waking him up. So it's really hard for me to come up here and just do a big cleaning all in one shot. So all this cleaning you're about to see, I did over several days, and the end part where I was in my room, that actually took me like over a week to finish. But right here, I'm starting out working on the half bathroom, and then I'll move into the bedrooms. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you're not already.
I know that I've been going back and forth. I know that I've been leaving you with questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons. You go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, and you go up when I go down. You see clear when I go blind. And oh, at home, you always be around. The show is over now. You finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. Promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Waiting. I know that I've been going back and forth. I know that I've been leaving you with questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons. And you go up when I go down. And you see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, and you go up when I go down. And you see clear when I go blind. And oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over now. You finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. Promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Waiting. You go up when I go down. And you say clear.
Now on to Chase's room. I really just needed to straighten up in here. He had a lot of toys out that had collected that needed to be put away. I also needed to dust and vacuum.
Now you finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. I promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. I'm waiting. Now it's up to you.
believe in what makes you strong. Mirrors are lying and pictures can be fake. I know you better than anyone else. Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. Don't hit the wall, just learn to save weight. You're truly special, no matter what they say. When life is cruel, that's every night to me. I think of you, is that so hard to see? Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy, they don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. I didn't come here to save you. I think we need each other.
On to my room now. I needed to change the sheets, dust, and I needed to vacuum too, but I actually never even got to that in this video. It took me so long to finish cleaning in here, over a week, so that's why you'll see my clothes change. I was able to do a quick closet declutter though, which I had been meaning to do for a while, so you'll see that soon.
Is standing right here. One love, that's all you need to be everything you wanna be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here. One love, that's all you need. I think we need each other. All the love you'll ever need is waiting for you. You still wonder, and you still wonder, and you still wonder.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long.
a little clothes declutter. I just went through my closet and pulled out anything that I didn't think I would wear anymore or that I hadn't been wearing. I had some clothes in there that I hadn't worn in years that just didn't look good anymore 3 kids later. I even tried on a few things to make sure I wanted to get rid of them.
Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
So these are the clothes that I'm going to be either donating or just getting rid of. A lot of them are just worn out. Some of them don't fit me anymore, and some of them I just don't like anymore. And then I have these shoes, which I bought years ago, and I don't think I even ever wore them. I tried them on, and I thought they were good, and then I tried to walk in them, and my foot was sliding around a lot. I don't know, just like the bed of the shoe was slippery or something. And I tried them on recently. I was going to wear them for something, and again, I just put them back in the closet and decided to wear something else instead. So I'm just gonna donate those. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you all in my next one. Bye!